Bathtime for Biscuit. Written by Alyssa Satin Capucilli. Pictures by Pat Schories. Time for a bath, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to play. Time for a bath, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to dig. Time for a bath, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to roll. Time for a bath, Biscuit. Time to get nice and clean. Woof woof. In you go. Woof. Biscuit does not want a bath. Bow wow. Biscuit sees his friend Puddles. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to climb out. Come back, Biscuit. Woof. Come back, Puddles. Bow wow. Biscuit and Puddles want to play in the sprinkler. Biscuit and Puddles want to dig in the mud. Biscuit and Puddles want to roll in the flower bed. Now I have you. Woof woof. Let go of the towel, Biscuit. Bow wow. Let go of the towel, Puddles. Silly puppies, let go. Woof woof. Bow wow. Oh, time for a bath, Biscuit. Woof woof. A bath for all of us. The end.